Welcome to Daxue Talks, a show powered by Daxue Consulting, a China-based strategic market research company founded in 2010.
Hi, I'm Feng, tax partner from Dezan, Shira and Associates. Dezan, Shira and Associates is one of the Asia's most well-known independent business consulting firm. We have almost 30 years of experience and 28 offices across China, ASEAN, and India. We have strong pan-Asia presence and offer deep blended services in tax and legal, business intelligence, market entry and business restructuring, accounting payroll, as well as IT and technology advisory.
From a tax perspective, what are the advantages of a free trade zone?
Free trade zones play an important role in moderating China's business landscape, stipulate domestic and foreign trade, and attract foreign direct investment. So Chinese authorities have been rolling out facilitation measures and tax and financing incentives to the overseas talents and enterprises to ensure talent mobility, pursue high-level integration, and opening up. They encourage those companies to develop the R&D and innovation capability in these regions. So the major tax preferential policies are therefore related to individual income tax, IIT, corporate income tax, CIT, VAT tax exemption, export VAT rebate, as well as some financial subsidies. There are some fundamental VAT and duty incentives that every free trade zone in China could offer. For example, free trade zone are considered to be outside of China customs body. That means when goods enter into the zone from abroad, no import taxes are levied until these goods are brought out of the zone into China. Sellers in the zone receive a VAT export rebate, and transactions between the companies in the zone are not subject any VAT. So this offers tax savings to the company in the supply chain that are both in the free trade zone. However, some more preferential tax incentives are quite unique to certain free trade zones. For example, the overseas high-end talents and originally talents working in Guangdong and Hainan free trade zone may enjoy IT tax up to 15%. Beijing Free Trade Zone will also grant the same IT incentive to overseas high-end talent in the designated region, although the details has not yet been published.
We interrupt this show to bring you breaking news of more awesome China business tips. You can find these tips on our other China business channels. Follow our official WeChat account, Daxue Insights, for weekly updates on the business landscape in China.
So from the enterprise perspective, in Shanghai, Qianhai and Hainan Free Trade Zone, eligible companies in the encouraged industry may enjoy a preferential CIT rate of 15%. The standard rate for rest of the company in China is 25%. Certain industries in Qianhai and Hainan Free Trade Zone may even be tax exempt. In addition to the above tax reduction or tax exemptions, many free trade zones give capital support or financial subsidies. So a very good example is the new free trade zone in Beijing, economic and technological development area. So this area is called Beijing Yitang. So they focus on the high-end industries, building the digital economy, development of technologies related to 5G, Internet of Things, blockchain, artificial intelligence, and big data. So they will provide the financial support of 10 million to 100 million RMB for project implementation in this area. They want to encourage the leading industries to develop their R&D capability in that area and achieve the transformation.
Any questions? We will find an expert to answer them. Drop your questions in the comments or send us an email, dx@dashwayconsulting.com.